So what exactly is all-on-4 rehabilitation with implants? All-on-4 means you're choosing 4 implants. Now 4 implants for the upper jaw, 4 for the lower. These are specifically used when you do not have your posterior jaws with enough of bone and height. So you're restricting your implant placement purely in the anterior region. You place 2 implants in the front here, right here, and the remaining 2 implants are angulated. That means they are at an angle, and that's why we get good benefit of using as much amount of bone you have in the upper jaw and the lower jaw. The moment the implants are anchored well within and they are stable, you can immediately load those implants that day itself, and we can walk out of your dental office with a pair of dentures already and your smile. To know more about all-on-4, please write to us or email to us on Smile Tour India and on the website, as well as you can already send your OPG which you have existing in your home country. We can review your OPG and let you know whether you are an ideal candidate for all-on-4, how much time it's going to take, and what will be the cost factor. We also use the branded systems like Noble Biocare and Straumann and many more, who are ideal standard systems for the placement of all-on-4 and all-on-6.